Hello, I'm Nadia MacLeod from RP Emery Legal Kits, and we help businesses to cut their legal costs with our online template kits. It might surprise you to know that an agreement does not have to be in writing to be legally binding. Verbal conversations, email exchanges, or other correspondence can all amount to an enforceable contract if the following characteristics apply. Firstly, you must make an offer and another person must accept it. Examples of this may include an offer for employment on certain terms or to sell a car at a set price. Secondly, you must settle on all of the terms of the agreement in advance. This will ensure the completeness of the contract in question. Thirdly, you must intend to become legally bound by the agreement. Intention can typically be inferred by looking at the circumstances of the transaction as a whole. Fourthly, you must be exchanging something of value. In legal terms, this is called consideration. It is important to note that the exchange does not need to be monetary. Alternatively, it could be a service or an item. Lastly, you must have the necessary capacity to enter into a legally binding agreement. This means that you need to be able to understand and think things out. While a verbal agreement is a perfectly acceptable way to create a binding contract, there are certain downfalls. For instance, they are difficult to prove. For this reason, we recommend putting your agreement in writing. This will ensure that you can provide ample detail and avoid any misunderstandings that may arise in the future. If it is not possible to reduce your agreement to writing, then you should take detailed notes about the transaction, keep a record of all written communication, and make sure all parties are clear about the contractual terms. If you'd like to learn more about verbal agreements and whether yours might be legally binding, check out our article by clicking on the link below. And if you'd like to enjoy the protection of written agreements, check out our wide range of affordable legal templates at www.rpemery.com.au.